A4E DxpDocs is a Spotfire extension developed by Analytics for Energy that automatically generates a rich, navigable static documentation site from the contents of a Spotfire DXP file. It allows users, analysts, and developers to understand, audit, and share the internal components of a Spotfire dashboard through a clean, searchable web interface. A4E DxpDocs is designed to generate documentation from multiple DXP files. This allows all information to be collated and searchable from one interface, but also provides the ability to drill down into specific DXP documentation. In addition to the human-readable documentation, A4E DxpDocs also exposes an API, which can be consumed by tools or scripts to programmatically access metadata from the Spotfire DXP documentation. Each endpoint is available while the A4E DxpDocs API server is running. The endpoints accept GET requests and responses are in JSON format. You can fetch this data using tools like curl for paging, filtering, field selection, and sorting, as per the documentation examples. With the A4E DxpDocs Spotfire extension installed, Analytics for Energy will appear as an option on the Tools menu in Spotfire Analyst, and from there you can generate, view, and delete DxpDocs from the DxpDocs library site. There is also the option to build a Spotfire Automation Services job and open a DXP from the Spotfire library or locally and generate the documentation that way. For each Spotfire DXP in the A4E DxpDocs site, there are selections for pages, visuals, data functions, tables, document properties, scripts, and data connections where they are found in the DXP. Looking at the A-Connect data page as an example, you are presented with an image of the page, the active data table reference, the active filtering selection reference, the active visual reference, and the visuals on that page, which are linked to their visual configuration documentation. For the visuals, the first example is of a text area, which provides an image of the visual. The page it is on, type, which in this case is an HTML text area, and content, which is the HTML text. In the next visualization example, this is a line chart. And there is a link to the page, the type, the data table reference, the data table legend item, the data limiting using markings, limit data using filterings, plus category axis, value axis, color axis, and line by axis. The documentation generated for each data function has the input parameters, inputs, output parameters, outputs, and the script code. All script code can be copied to the clipboard from a button. The documentation generated for each table provides a row count, source view, and columns, including calculated columns. Document properties include all settings and the values stored. IronPython scripts are documented with the language, version, and script code. As with data functions, all script code can be copied to the clipboard from a function. Data connections show the connection, whether it is on demand or not, the data loading behavior, and custom query if present. In conclusion, the entire library is fully searchable by any term, presenting a set of link references across the A4E DxpDocs library site. Thanks for watching. For further information on sales and subscriptions, please contact Blue River Analytics. Check out our other A4E Spotfire tools and templates on our YouTube channel at Analytics for Energy.